Today I'm going to show you how to use front and back cameras at the same time whether you are on Android like me or an iPhone. This method works like a charm. First, open your App Store with the Play Store or the App Store and search for front and back cameras. In the search bar you will find several apps in here, so select one of them and click on it. After that you need to click the Install button to install it. Once you have installed the app, open it up and grant the necessary permissions. Live on your screen. Simply select the whatever you want to take, a video or a picture, and you are good to go. It's that easy. With the simple trick you can capture moment from both perspectives seamlessly.